Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really new. It's a present from my sister and let's unbox it together. And first of all, if you guys new, please subscribe to my channel. I'm pretty new and I haven't posting a lot because I was thinking that I'm gonna give up because there's no one's gonna support me or whatever. But here I am again, back, and yeah, this is me. And let's unbox this together because I am so excited right now. So let's start unboxing. Okay, let's unbox it together. I know my sister's wrapping are bad, or like the way she wraps it is bad, but like still I'm so grateful. So here comes the satisfying part about all of this is
Oh my gosh. Let's do some.
I'm so satisfied.
Wait, yeah, I will say these.
It's so satisfying. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
It's gonna take a long time though, but yeah, let's just be patient and watch the satisfying part about it all.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh, that
was
was so
pretty
satisfying.
Let's.
Okay, let's open it.
What's
Oh my
that?
gosh,
There's like a
is that
bubble
some kind
wave.
of bubble? Okay, let's open it.
Let's.
Oh no, no way, I wanted that. Shh, I'm so happy right now.
Like drawers. I love
Okay,
these.
let's take this
love small
stupidest
ones.
thing out first, and
we have a.
it looks like some kind of bubble or whatever, but
I'm gonna use this.
I'm trying to do an ASMR with it, but I don't hear anything, so let's keep it aside and let's see what's up.
No way.
No. No way, I got AirPods. Oh, I think I might broke it, like I haven't used it, but
No way.
these are Temu version of AirPods. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful right now. Oh my gosh. I wanted an AirPod like since a long time now, and my sister bought me a Temu version of AirPods, but like we can still use it. That's the best part.
I think this is more cheap. So cute.
So cute. Okay, I'm gonna keep the stuff that I got up there so you guys can see the stuff I got, and I'm so excited for the drawer thingy the most. But like, let's see the other parts. Oh wait, no way. She bought me stickers. Oh my gosh, these are so cute.
Anime one.
Oh my gosh, we have an anime one and a girly type one. Oh my gosh, these are so damn cute. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. She used it,
Okay, let's
and
keep
I wanna
those aside from now on because I have a lot of more to do because I'm so excited. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. No way, she got me a duck and a oh. Okay, I just got a duck and a capybara type of clippers. Oh my gosh, these are so cute.
So cute.
Oh my gosh, you know what? I'm gonna keep these as pets because I'm not allowed to have pets, and these are so perfect. You know, if you guys have a name idea, let's name these two girlies because I'm gonna put them as girls because like they look girly, and please comment at the name below. So who can be the luckiest one that I will choose their name. So yeah,
My pet from now on. I'm gonna see those
let's keep those
ones.
aside for now because I have a lot. Well, only two more stuff, but like
See what we
yeah,
have next.
let's go through those two stuff. Wait, no way. No way.
And it's new. It's
I just asked her yesterday
so new.
if she could like give me
These are $3,500.
I think it's called a Daichian in Cambodian. We call it Daichian. I just asked her if she has spare one because I don't want to waste my money on new ones
It's not
every
yellow.
year or week. So I
But it's
asked
so
her if she
cute,
has
okay?
any spare one, and I think this is her spare one, or she just bought me it. But looks like it's super new, so I think
Oh my
she
gosh.
bought me it because there's even a package. The bag is still there, and it's so cute. Oh no, my gosh!
Oh,
I think she doesn't have like
oh wait,
she don't know I like yellow, but like still, blue is my favorite color. Second favorite color. And
it's not cute.
please
It's
guys
like a
tell me this is cute. Oh my gosh. Even though
Hey.
it's not cute, but like
She
my
knows
feeling
me
is
though.
telling me this is so
And
cute.
this is my
Oh my
second
gosh, I
favorite
can't.
color,
I'm
so
gonna be
I'm so
obsessed
happy
with it.
for I'm so happy
So
about it.
let's keep those aside,
But
and
this one, this
here
is
comes
dark
the biggest one.
purple.
Oh my
But I'm
gosh,
so grateful
my
for it.
favorite of them
I think
all,
it
and the
came
one
with this,
I've
so it
been
wouldn't break.
excited
But I
for
would say it
is
should be
this drawer, purple drawer.
But it
Why did
came
I
with
take
it.
that one? But yeah, still.
I think it's
My favorite one
also-
is the purple drawer. Okay, I think there's
Throw it
all, so
away.
I'm gonna throw it away.
Oh
Okay,
my
here
gosh.
comes
These are
my
so
favorite.
cute.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh,
wait.
let's unbox it. There's no unboxing, but
That's
no way.
These are so
No way. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this. Oh
Let's
my
open the
gosh,
drawer.
it's so cute, but
Have
it's
some
the end of
letters.
the video, and And that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. And if you guys are new, please subscribe. So this is all I have to say, and peace out.